check cola.
Hi, my name's Trisket, and I like to eat me some tab.
You like to eat tab?
Made her song. Hi, my name's Trisket, and I like to eat me some tab.
You put on her Polly.
Hi. Come on.
Heimlich.
Are you right there?
Oh, your friends just like me.
Marvin, what?
I don't know. Who's talking about?
Excuse me.
It's over there, isn't it?
Bobo.
What?
The cat wants some.
I typed in job, but HIV popped up.
Fat ears.
Yeah.
Hi! My name's Bobby Holesclaw, and I promise to be a good city councilman at large and do what's best for the voter and for the people of this city. So I ask for your vote on June 4th. Bobby Holesclaw.